Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to show you an upgrade we just did to our gazebo right here. If you guys follow our channel, you've seen us do some upgrades and you've seen us put this gazebo together. One of the coolest things about this right now is we actually have a fan and a light out here. So this is a great little DIY, super easy way to do this, to again have some airflow out here and also to have a light as well. I'm going to show you guys how we put this up there and just how it actually all works. Everything is right here controlled by this little remote, which is really easy to use. But this is a great, easy option, again, for anyone that wants to put a ceiling fan in your gazebo. If you want to put it under your deck, if you want to put it somewhere like right next to your pool, if you want to put it in your garage or in your shop, whatever, this is a great option for that. And I want to show you guys how we actually put ours up there. So let's check it out. So the install for me was super easy because the gazebo came with a loop right here that can hold the fan, but you can see it has the little additional option to kind of bring it down a little bit there, and then it's holding it really well. Another cool thing I do like is that this just plugs into the wall. That's super convenient for me, so I didn't have to run wire or do anything like that. Just plug it right in, and I just plugged it into an outdoor plug. Here are the couple extra pieces I was talking about. It has an easy to use mount. You can just mount that to a joist or whatever you want to do. If you want it to be a little bit lower, it has the connector bar right there. You can make it lower. And then it also has the remote, like I was talking about. Fits in this little thing right here that you can actually mount to a wall or wherever you want to have it, so it will stay out there. And it's super easy and convenient to mount it up there. And again, I just wanted to show you guys what the remote can do. You can see there's different options there on the left side. You have the fan, you have an up and down fan, and then you also can spin it different ways. On the right side, you have the lights. You can do different coloring, which is nice. So if you want a different setting or different ambiance, different mood, whatever that might be, you can do that setting. It's really cool and really easy to use there, just different colors. And then, like I mentioned on the left side, you can go up and down. And so again, depending on how cool you want it, or if you want it to just be relaxing or just kind of keep the bugs off, you can do that. And it even shows you on the remote how fast it actually is going. And then, like I mentioned, you can use it for getting smoke out or other things. You can spin it around and do it the other way as well. So really easy and really cool and convenient way to do that. And I did want to show you guys what this is like when it turns off. You can see right there, it just moves a little bit. That's what I was a little worried about, just the strength of the fan, what was going to happen when you actually turn it off. But it just moved a slight little bit, and then it was ready to roll. And like I said, you could turn different lights on or whatever it might be. I do think this would work well if you had your grill under there and it's smoky. You could flip the switch and it could actually help pull some of the smoke out of there. And there's multiple different uses for this. I think it's a great option for either one. But so far, the ease of use and the look and also just the convenience of having a fan out here has just really been helpful for me. I also think it kind of flows well in this area as well. So super easy to use, and I think it's definitely going to be something we're excited about using in the future. But overall, I think this thing is a game changer. It has made this area a lot cooler, also made it just bearable. You can also come out here in the dark because now we have a light. We can come out here and hang out right outside of the back door. We can come out here and eat, hang out, do whatever we want. Have my grilling station right there behind it, so it's a really cool area now with a light and a fan. Definitely makes this area a lot cooler and a lot more comfortable just to come and hang out. If you're interested in a fan or any type of thing like that for indoor or outdoor, this is one I recommend you check out. I don't know about longevity or any kind of thing like that. We just got it and put it in here, but it's really made this area a lot cooler and a lot better to hang out in. And so I think this is something we're definitely going to recommend. Probably going to grab one for a couple other areas in my house out and around, just so we can have some more, cooling off and even a light on there as well. So I think it's a great option. Highly recommend you check this out. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And quick disclaimer, this item was sent to me to review.